I was looking at something float across the sky that I straight thought was the plane. Why this motherfucker straight broke up into pieces? And it's still going like this, bro. How nobody is seeing this? It's cool on Bloods. I got all this shit on camera this time. Usually I can't catch none of this shit, but tonight this boy the sky showing his ass. I'm fucking with it. Bro, like what the fuck is going on? Bro, this better be like some government testing shit, like, cause this shit is not possible. This shit is not possible. What the fuck? What? No, bro. On my soul, bro. What's your name on Facebook? I'm finna send you this. I know motherfuckers hearing this cause I'm hearing hella people on Martin Luther King screaming this shit. These straight on my soul, dude just said these look like some UFOs, bro. On my soul, I promise you not. This what the fuck these is. These is some real life UFOs. Nothing moves like this. I got all this shit on camera on Bloods. Yes. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's seven flying objects in the sky zigzagging with a fucking trail behind them. These is not these is not from this fucking planet, on my soul. Damn, I want to go up there for the. I can't. I ain't no Wi-Fi. Fuck you mean? Bro, this shit is crazy. Like, you know how we talk about this shit and how this type of shit, you know, happens. This is like we talk about, like, these is not coincidences. These is signs. Motherfucker aliens start popping up out the sky. Motherfuckers gonna be running looking stupid. They ain't gonna know what the fuck going on. They ain't even gonna know them our peoples. It's hella people recording on Bloods. Just stay on the phone, watch this. I'm finna ask somebody like, hey, y'all just seen that woo wah wah? Bro, I could not make this shit up. I swear my life is the whole fucking movie. Hey! Hey! Hey, y'all just seen that shit? What y'all think that was? Hey, it was like 6, 7 of them motherfuckers, bro.